Greetings everyone. So today I want to talk about Windows 11 new features. Features that you're only going to see in Windows 11 versus Windows 10. And also I want to talk about some features that's going to be removed from Windows 10 when you upgrade to Windows 11. Okay, so let's run down the features that's going to be available in Windows 11 when you decide to upgrade. So one of the features you're going to gain is 5G support where available. So if your device support 5G, then Windows 11 will be able to take advantage of that feature. Another feature you're going to gain is auto HDR. Now auto HDR based on the monitor. That's something that was introduced into HD TV and 4K TVs. Now you'll be able to take advantage of that feature in your HDR capable monitor. You're also going to gain BitLocker to go. Now if you have used this BitLocker feature before, then you know what it is. If not, I can explain later in another video. Now this is going to require you having a USB drive and is only going to be available in Windows Pro 11 and above. Another feature I want to point out is Cortana. Now if you have Windows 10, you already know about Cortana, whether you use it or not. Of course, you know it requires a microphone, speakers, so you can talk to the voice assistant that's built in. The next feature that's going to be available in Windows 11 is called direct storage. So this requires a 1 terabyte or greater NVMe SSD drive to store and run games that uses the standard NVMe Express controller. So if you are a gamer, you're going to take advantage of this feature more than anybody else. Another feature for the gamers is called DirectX. Now the DirectX 12 Ultimate will be included in Windows 11 and it's available if the games and the graphic chips support it. Another feature that's going to be available in Windows 11 is called Presence. Now this feature requires sensors that can detect human distance from the device or intent to interact with the device. Now I'm not sure how this feature is going to be used, but maybe it'll be like, for instance, when you walk away from your device, it will automatically lock your screen. And in some way, maybe it will know that's you that's approaching it and automatically unlock using the camera or some other device to unlock that device. This is just an assumption on my part, but that's what I'm assuming this will be used for. There's also going to be a feature called intelligent video conferencing. This requires a video camera, microphone, and speaker for audio out. Now I'm assuming that the camera and the microphone is going to zoom into whoever is talking in the conference to give them a better sound and voice and let the camera focus on them. There's also going to be a feature called multiple voice assistant. Now this requires a microphone and speakers to use this feature. There's also going to be a feature called Snap. Now with Snap, it can take 3 columns layout required on the screen in a 19 by 20 monitor and rearrange them so you can have multiple windows open and see them all at one time. You're going to be able to mute and unmute from the taskbar. This feature requires a video camera, a microphone, speakers, and the app must be compatible with the feature to enable global mute and unmute. Another feature will be included is called Spatial Sound. So this will require the hardware and the software to take advantage of this feature. Microsoft Teams will be built into Windows 11. Now this will require a video camera, microphone, and speakers for audio output. Touch is another feature of Windows 11. It requires a screen or a monitor that supports multiple touch. Two-form authentication will be included in Windows 11. So this requires you use PIN biometric like a fingerprint reader or an illuminated infrared camera or a phone with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth capability to take advantage of this feature. You can do voice typing. This requires a PC with a microphone. You can do wake on voice in Windows 11. This requires a modern power supply model with a microphone. So your hardware will have to be capable to take advantage of this feature. Windows 11 will be able to take advantage of Wi-Fi 6E and it requires the new wireless LAN with the hardware and drivers to take advantage of this Wi-Fi 6E capability. So if you have one of the newest router that has the Wi-Fi 6E capability, then you will able to take advantage of it with Windows 11. as long as your hardware supports the connection from the router. Windows Hello will be carried over from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So that requires you having a camera or a fingerprint reader with biometric authentication. Devices without biometric sensors can use Windows Hello with a PIN or a portable Microsoft compatible security key. So just like in Windows 10, you can use your face to unlock your system, or you can use your fingerprint to unlock your system. Windows projection will be part of Windows 11. This requires a display adapter with support Windows Display Driver 2.0 and a Wi-Fi adapter that supports Wi-Fi Direct. And finally, the Xbox app will also be available in Windows 11. And of course, you need an Xbox Live account to take advantage of this feature. Now let's talk about some features in Windows 10 that probably won't be able to carry over to Windows 11, and some that probably be downgraded. So let's talk about Cortana. So Cortana will no longer be included in the first boot experience or be pinned to the taskbar. So even though Cortana will be part of Windows 11, it's not going to be included in the first boot, just like they said, and it's not going to be pinned to the start bar like it is in Windows 10. So desktop wallpaper cannot be roamed to and from devices when you sign into your Microsoft account like you can do now. Internet Explorer, although included in Windows 10, will be disabled in Windows 11, and the Microsoft Edge will be the standard browser from this point on. But you can still install other browsers like Firefox or Chrome if you prefer. News and interest will be evolved, and new functionality will be added, which will be found when you click on the widget icon on the taskbar. Quick status. From the lock screen and associated settings are removed. S Mode is only available in Windows 11 Home Edition. Snippet Tool continues to be available, but the old design and functionality in Windows 10 has been replaced with those of the app previously known as Snip and Sketch. Let's talk about the Start. Start is significantly changed in Windows 11. The name and groups of folders of apps will no longer be supported, and the layout cannot currently be resized. Pin apps and site will not be migrated when you upgrade from Windows 10. Live tiles will no longer be available. For glanceable and dynamic content, see the new widget feature. Tablet mode is removed, and new functionality and capability is included for keyboard attach and detach posture. The taskbar changes include people will no longer be present on the taskbar. Some icons may no longer appear in the system tray, or upgraded devices included in previous customization. Alignment to the bottom of the screen is the only location allowed. So you won't be able to pin the taskbar to the left, right, or the top of the screen anymore. Apps can no longer customize areas of the taskbar. The timeline is removed. Some similar functionality is available in Microsoft Edge. Touch keyboard will no longer dock and undock keyboard layouts on screen 18 inches or larger. If you ever use the wallet feature, now that's removed. Okay, so there you go. There are some of the features that's going to be added to Windows 11. And some that's going to be changed or removed. So if some of the features that's going to be removed or changed, that's not going to be suitable for you, now you know what they are before you decide to do that upgrade. And remember, you still have time before you decide you want to do that upgrade. You will have to 2025 to change over to Windows 11, or just stick with Windows 10 unsupported if you decide to stick with Windows 10 after 2025. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you the difference between Windows 10 and Windows 11. Some of the features, and also some of the features that's going to be available in Windows 11 Home version versus the Pro version. So make sure you come back to see those videos. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.